Oh, this feels amazing. What is up, everybody? Today I'm going to be visiting my buddy Francisco. We're going to be doing some muscle recovery stuff, and he's like my massage therapist guy. And it's my second time going to him, but I highly recommend it because, like, if you guys are into sports and pretty much lifting weights and working out, muscle recovery is definitely a need. But before we go to visit my buddy in his massage therapy location, it's time to get some Dunkin' Donuts. All right, so Dunkin' Donuts. Got my coffee. Sugar-free vanilla with almond milk. 3 or 4 Splenda packets, I think. That's a lot of Splenda packets. It's a size large, the healthiest thing that you can kind of get for coffee. And then I ended up just getting a sandwich, a turkey sandwich. No cheese, unfortunately. I usually get the cheese, but it's a muffin, egg white with turkey sausage. That's what it looks like. Time to chow down. I love Dunkin' Donuts. I don't know about you guys. I don't know how many Krispy Kreme or Dunkin' Donut fans are out there, but I'm more of a cakey battery kind of guy. And so Dunkin' Donuts is my go-to place. Krispy Kreme's is cool too, but I don't feel like you get full. You fill up fast, and you get fat fast eating there because, like, the donuts are so freaking light. It's like you're eating nothing. I'm gonna finish this and head over to my massage guy because I'm kind of late for my appointment. See you guys there. Bro, so many nice cars out this morning. Sorry. Jeez. This dude has some meaty ass tires. Oh my god. Jeez. Look at that. Alright, so we're in this cool facility. It's like an MMA kind of gym, CrossFit kind of gym. It's called Rocket Fitness or Rocket Gym. I'll plug in the location down below. But man, look at this place. I've never been to a location like this. It has like a boxing rink. You got some punching bag area. You got the little boxing ring right there. Do some abs, weights. We're missing the Filipino flag though. They got Japan right there. Philippines right there because of Manny Pacquiao. Man, I would love to work out in this kind of place. I wish I could drive out here and work out because, man, this place is big. I bet you the environment during this time, since this is my first time here, the environment of people working out is like super hyped. Alright guys, so we're here at Francisco's spot. So this is his location. So say what's up.
Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to my location. We're just at a gym. This is where I do my treatments for everybody. For people who have pain, aches, sports therapy, anything like that, come to me. I do what you call cupping, grafting, any technique as well as stretching.
Alright guys, so what's happening here is Francisco's using some tools. They're like scraping tools. They are to help relieve the muscle adhesion in the skin, so you can see my skin turn a little bit red. Check out this dope trick. So I've been having a lot of back issues because I've been doing a lot of deadlifts recently, so my back is super sore. As you can see, my body's turning reddish, pinkish reddish. This is a lot of muscle adhesion that he's relieving. Should go away within a day or two. As you can see here, he's using the air cupping technique. It's a little bit different than the heat treatment that you typically see. The idea is that the darker the spots, the more focus you have to put onto that specific area in order for you to break down the muscle fibers. It hurts, but it feels good. Yeah. Alright guys, so we just finished our session. This is what my front chest looks like. Damn. Crazy. And then my back looks like this. I can't see what it looks like, but I'm sure it looks pretty crazy.
It looks pretty good.
Make sure to check Francisco's place out. I'll put the link in the description for the video, so you can contact my main guy right here, because this is good work right here. I feel super refreshed, super amazing. So,
And you.
so thanks so much. And,
no, thank you for coming in, man.
Yeah, awesome. Till next time. All right, guys. So I feel like $1,000,000 just finished with Francisco. He worked on me for about 2 to 3 hours, and let me tell you, it is amazing. He worked my back. I mean, he did a full body, but I told him like, hey, these are the areas that I need work on, like my back, my legs, my calves. I've been hitting deadlifts pretty hard this past week, and doing a lot of back workouts because I'm really trying to develop my back, and he really targeted those areas. And let me tell you, like, dude, I feel like $1,000,000. Literally, I feel like $1,000,000. So hit up Francisco for work here if you guys are in Los Angeles and LA. Let him know that I sent you. He'll hook you up with the Daryl package. Here is his Instagram page right here. I'll also link his website so you can book a session with him. So Francisco, just want to let you know, thanks so much for your work. You're awesome, dude. All right, y'all. So I got some lunch right now. And I got not only the best food to eat when you're going out, especially if you're on a bulk like me, lean bulk, Panda Express. Double teriyaki chicken, no sauce of course, with brown rice, double brown rice. Excited. I'm on meal number 1 right now. This is actually no, meal number 2 out of 6. Yum! I'm on a lean bulk, I'm sure you guys already know. And doing a lean bulk is like not the easiest thing because I'm used to eating like, what, 13 to 1500 calories, and now I'm eating like 3000 calories. And I'm eating so much. It was very surprising because yesterday, I didn't know that I could have like fast food on this bulk. Of course, lean gains. And my coach, he was like, yeah, you can eat In-N-Out. And I was at In-N-Out. And he's like, yeah, ordered like 2 double doubles and a french fries. And I'm like, dude, that's a lot of food. I usually just typically order like 1 double double and that and call it a day. But 2 double doubles? Sign me up. And I didn't even eat that much yesterday. I was like behind like 4 or 5 meals. Oh, damn. People trying to park in such small spaces. Whoa. And by the way, if you're new to my channel, I just got braces, so don't mind the stuff in my teeth. I got braces like 4 months ago. Best decision of my life, but it's kind of like, it's a lot of maintenance, man. I'm trying to record it now, but there's like a bunch of cholas like standing in front of this camera. It's kind of embarrassing. It's like, cholas, what do you guys want? I only call them cholas because they have the chola eyebrows. Nothing against cholas though. I hope you enjoyed the massage video. If you like this video and you like the content that you guys see today, please let me know down below in the comments. Support your boy. Give me a like, thumbs up, whatever it is that YouTube does nowadays, just so we can get the algorithm going, because I've had this channel for about 20 years. It used to be a music channel, and I've switched it to like fitness and lifestyle, and so the algorithm's kind of stupid right now. So really help me out, guys, because I'm really trying to grow this channel again. So I know I'm only at 1K, and eventually, hopefully, one day I can get a million subs. So help your boy out, and I'll continue to do my best to provide you with awesome content. Go out to the gym, we'll go out partying, whatever it is you guys want, you let me know. I will do it. Leave your comments down below. We'll make it happen. I promise. Subscribe, like, comment, support your boy. Peace out.